2. Cells having membrane-bound nucleus are known as 1. Prokaryotic cell, 2. Eukaryotic cell, 3. Bacterial cell, 4. Both 1 and 2. Explanation. Cells are classified into two main types based on the presence or absence of a membrane-bound nucleus. 1. Prokaryotic cell. No membrane-bound nucleus. DNA is found floating freely in the cytoplasm, in a region called the nucleoid. Examples: bacteria, archaea. 2. Eukaryotic cell. Has a membrane-bound nucleus. DNA is enclosed inside the nucleus, which is surrounded by a nuclear membrane. Also has other membrane-bound organelles like mitochondria, air, Golgi body, etc. Examples: plants, animals, fungi, protists. 3. Bacterial cell. All bacterial cells are prokaryotic, so they do not have a membrane-bound nucleus. 4. Both 1 and 2. Only option 2, eukaryotic cell, has a membrane-bound nucleus, not both. Final answer: 2. Eukaryotic cell. Like, follow, subscribe and share my channel, Punch Nature Science, for more questions.